Good afternoon, students. Today in Community Health Nursing 2, going to discuss about the fifth unit. In this fifth unit, today our topic is home visit. Okay, home visit is a backbone of community health nurse. It is the home visit only will give the all information about the public to the nurses. Through that home visit only, we are going to gather information about the public. What is their need? What is their problem? What we have to do? What is our goal? Through that home visit only, we can understand. As a community health nurse, we can understand what is the problem is going on in that particular community. What is the need of the community? We can understand. Okay, next one is, before going the home visit, as a community health nurse, we should know these 5 aspects of question. What's up? First one is not a what's up. What is up? Okay, what is there in the community? What information we are going to gather? We should know. Next one is, what is the important? We should know why we have to go for the home visit. What is the purpose of home visit? Okay, next one is, what we can practice. Okay, what care we can give to the public. What is our practice in the community? What we are going to give for the public. What healthcare services we are going to give for the community. Next one is, what new fact, what new problems we are discovering. What new healthcare services we are going to implement. First, we should know what are the information we have to gather, what is purpose we are going, what care we are going to give, what problems we are identifying. Okay, next, further problems. For the problems, what we are going to do. These 5 aspects before going to home visit as a community health nurse we should know. Next, we will move on to what is the definition of home visit. Definition of home visit means, okay, it is a process of providing healthcare services in the doorsteps of the public. Okay, the doorsteps we are going and giving the healthcare services. But in hospital, what will happen? The patient will go to hospital and they will get the treatment. But in community, the healthcare provider, they are meeting the people in their homes and they are giving the healthcare services in their home setting itself. That is home visit. Home visit is a process of providing healthcare services or meeting the healthcare needs of the public in their doorsteps. Okay. Next one is, what purposes we should go to community. First one is to know the family structure, community structure, environmental structure. First, we are going to know about the family. We are going to know about the community. We are going to know about the environment of the particular community. Next one is to establish interpersonal relationship, nurse-patient relationship we are going to maintain. Next one is to identify the problems. First, know about the family, community as well as the environment, and we are going to maintain maintaining interpersonal relationship. Next, to identify the health problems of the people. Next one is to identify the needs of the people and providing healthcare services. Okay, for know about the family structure, to maintain interpersonal relationship, to identify the problems, and to provide the healthcare and practice our nursing services. Okay, to prevent the health problems through our health education. These purpose only we are going for home visit. Know the family structure, identify the problem, maintain interpersonal relationship, to practice our nursing care, then to prevent the health problems. For this purpose only we are going for home visit. Next one is, what is the principle of home visit? While you are going to home visit, we should maintain some principles. First one is, we have to plan the health care according to the needs of the public, not your needs. We have to prepare the or go for the home visit for the needs of the public. Next one is to respect their feelings. As a community health nurse, we have to respect the each and everybody in the community. Our community peoples, we have to respect their feelings, what they are saying. We should not neglect any one points. Okay, next one is we have to provide safe healthcare services. We should not harm anyone. Our healthcare services, we should not harm anyone. Okay, then for that we should need technical knowledge. We should have technical knowledge. Before going to home visit, we should be skillful. We should be know whether we are eligible to conduct home visit. Okay, next one is we have to collect the which is truth one. Collected information should be truthful one. Okay, for going home visit, we have to maintain some principle. If we are planning the home visit, it should be need based of the public, and we have to respect the community people, and we have to give the technical skill should be truthful one, and we should have the technical knowledge, and collecting the data should be truthful one, and we have to see family as a unit. In family, each and everybody is important. We have to take care of the family, community as well as the environment. These three we have to include while we are going to community home visit. Next we will see the steps of home visit. While you are going to home visit, what are all the steps we have to follow? Means first one is fact finding, next one is data finding, third one is planning the healthcare services, next one is providing action of the healthcare services, next one is follow up, next evaluation of services. First we are facts finding, data collection, and health planning, health action, follow up care and evaluation. Facts finding, that is we are conducting the survey, household survey. What is there? What is the problem is there? Okay, through the home visit, we have to identify the problems of the community. Then data findings. Okay, in this we have to find out who all are having the need, who all are having the problems, who all are in the needs. We have to collect the data. Then we have to plan the healthcare services according to the needs of the peoples, according to the priority of the peoples, according to the priority of the people. We have to plan the healthcare services, plan the nursing care. Okay, needs of the people, we have to plan the nursing care. Next one is, okay, after planning we have to give care. Okay, we have to give care for the peoples, and we have to go for follow up. Every day we have to go for the home visit. Next one is, after your home visit, we have to evaluate our healthcare services, whether it is reached to the peoples, whether they are following, whether they improved the health. We have to see that one. This is the steps of home visit: facts finding, data finding, planning the healthcare services, action regarding the healthcare services, follow up care, and evaluation of healthcare services. Next we will see that stages or phases of healthcare services. First one is initiation phase, second one is maintenance or action phase, third one is termination phase. Initiation phase means we are going to do that assessment. Maintenance phase means we have to maintain the interpersonal relationship, and we have to give the services to the public. And the termination phase, after your care we have to evaluate your healthcare service.